What is the beginning of restoration? Well, if you look at the beginning of the word, you see restore. And at the beginning of restore is rest. R-E-S-T. Resting is so important. When you do not rest, you are working with everything constantly. Everything that is of you, about you, all about whatever is surrounding you, whatever is coming for you, whatever just left you, you're going to be dealing with it constantly. That means without a resting point, without a pause, without a break. Not only is rest important, resting moves into that next word. It restores. It gives you a chance to take in, or what they say, seep in. Let that soak. That means there's some type of process taking place. Instead of movement, there's a process taking place. When you look at a screen and it's saying processing, nothing is moving, which is so, it can be an anxious moment at times. But yes, when you're restoring yourself, I look at process like filling up a cup. Like filling up a cup, yes, the water is moving, which water is made to do anyway, you know. But it's doing something until it fills it up, until it reaches a capacity. No cap. Listen, but no movement. The cup hasn't moved, but it's filled up. A process took place. It restored. It stocked back up. It is now filled, full. And when you are full, now you've reached restoration.